G'day, I'm Ben from Fusion Lighting. In this video, I'll run through a couple of things with the installation of your Festoon lighting so it becomes a pleasurable and enjoyable experience for you. When you first get the cables, these sockets are very tight, and they're tight for a reason, so it can keep the bulbs waterproof. So when you're screwing them in, regardless of what system you've got, the 240 volt or 24 volt, you've really got to screw the bulbs in all the way. So the mistake most make is they screw them in like that and they think they're in. What you want to do is make sure the outside part of the socket flanges out. So you just keep screwing, see that? Keep going all the way until it cannot go any further. And then the outside part of the Festoon socket becomes much fatter. You know it's in then, because if it's not in far enough, it cannot connect with the little metal tab in there, which means it can't get power. Also, when it's not in far enough, the socket cannot be waterproof. So to waterproof it, you need to make sure it's in all the way so it can work to its full capacity. The other thing is, if you need to join the line from the transformer or dimmer into the Festoon cable, it's important that the two arrows join up, match each other. This way the power can work. If it's the other way, it won't work. If you've got any questions with your installation, just give me a call and I'll help you out. But if you follow those simple instructions, it should make it a lot easier, and it'll extend the lifetime, because everything is now waterproof.